Today, when I tried to wash dishes, I realized the water pump was not coming on. That could be a real problem on a boat. So we did a bit of problem solving and repaired the problem. Step 1 was to locate the water pump. That meant crawling inside the engine compartment. Thank goodness we have a very large compartment. You can crawl inside. That makes it great for repairs.
Alright, so apparently it's malfunctioning. It's working sporadic.
Alright, we're going to go through troubleshooting. Is a voltage present at the switch?
Yes.
Okay.
I don't understand why this is cut off.
You're going to have to ask the person that installed it. But they're not here.
Oh.
Alright, so how about a seized or locked diaphragm? That's what I'm going with.
I think there is a short in here causing it to intermittently work. Yeah, but it could be a bad connection. I'm just using a wire.
These do look very corroded.
All right.
So we came up with the idea that perhaps that was corroded. So before we actually installed the new pump, we were going to see if this pump would work without this. So we cut the wires off, putting the red on the battery itself, and then the black, and there's the motor.
All right.
It is running. So that tells us that this motor is still operating, but we need to just fix these connectors. Easy problem to fix. Boom. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this male connector on here because we have figured out that these were corroded in part of the problem. And what was happening was the motor was engaging and then not engaging, kicking back off. We figured out that the motor is still running by directly wiring it to the battery, but the connectors are bad. So we're going to replace the connectors through that. Crimp it up. Crimp, crimp, baby, crimp, crimp, baby, crimp, crimp, baby, crimp. So now I'm going to put the motor back on here. I'm going to hook the red to the red, see if my newly connected connectors are going to work. And we have success! Woo! There it is! Got it. So now it's time to put it back inside there, but the captain wants to do it himself. I think he just likes crawling into tiny holes.
All right, turn the motor back on. All right, and that should be powered up. Check the water.
Okay. Oh, okay, that's...
Turn it off. Turn it off.
Okay, okay, all right. Things not to do.
All right. Nice and left in the shower today.
Oh, that's great.
God, that wasn't 110.
I'm sure glad too.
All right. I saw some water there. I failed to realize it was under pressure after it just pressured up. All right, so we're going to take the screw out we just put in. All right, go check the water pressure.
I want to make sure that it's connected. Is it connected, sir?
Is what connected?
To make sure when I turn it on, it won't come spraying water out.
Repaired.
We have successfully repaired.